About decisions, by and large, it looks to me around 10 agenda items. Which 7 were agenda items and 3 were table items. In addition to it, we have also taken decisions with regard to the Margaon bus terminal. And we have also one public utility space which the Margaon municipality is. They are doing it as a special scheme to develop the and we have taken a decision on the para teachers. Para teachers is a major decision. Does this look good? I don't know whether this looks good. बरं आता एक पहिलं तुम्ही हे तुमच्या आयला सगळे म्हणजे टेबल आयटम्स ते तुमच्याकडे असतात एक स्पेशल इन्सेंटिव्ह दिल्या एक दृष्टी ऑन म्हणजे टेक्निकल
डिस्कशन कॅबिनेटात सगळे डिसिजन जे ना चीफ मिनिस्टराच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान तुमकां मेळटले. आमी जें डिस्कशन केलां ते नवे IT पॉलिसीचे विशीं केली. त्यानंतर आनी गोष्टी आमच्यो आशिल्ल्यो लेबर सोसायटीच्यो आशिल्ल्यो PWD हे सगळे पास केले आनी फुडले जे काही डिस्कशन आसा ते तुमकां चीफ मिनिस्टराच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान सर आनी उलोवंक शकना. चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफिसांतल्यान सगळे
7 आयटम आसल्यान 2 टेबल आयटम
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर कितें उलयल्ले
ना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर कांय ना.
तुमचो
इश्यू आसले तितके डिस्कस जाले. फिशरीचे कांय नासलें आज फुडें येतलें फुडें
डिस्कशन जे आयटम जे 7 आयटम जे आशिल्ले ताजेर डिस्कशन जाल्लें आसा.
एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचेर कितें विशय आयिल्लो
एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचेर असो विशय अजून कांय होना बट जे लायव्ह पोस्ट जे आसा ते लायव्ह पोस्ट भरपाचे वर्बली डायरेक्शन्स दिले.
तुमी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर कितें उलयले
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आतां कशें आसा पळय न्ही एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अजून पर्यंत कांय उलोवप जावं ना पूण सद्या चालू आसा न्ही सामकेंच कोलॅप्स जाल्यार तर मागीर उलोवप.
ओके आणि सीएम लिडर बीन कितें
ओन्ली जे आयटम जे आशिल्ले ताजेरूच डिस्कशन जाल्लें आनी काय.
The whole agenda, whatever is there, has been cleared. Even they were table items. CM was fully fit. He participated in discussions. He gave his valuable suggestions. Except that the meeting did not take place at the secretariat. Everything else is like a normal cabinet meeting.
Okay.
There will be people briefing you as to what issues have been cleared. Yeah, they will be coming. But what I want to say, everything is normal. It is only that the Honorable Chief Minister needs a little more rest. So he will be resting for some time. But in between, he said, whenever there are issues, he will be calling each one of us individually. Tomorrow he is meeting the party people. So like this, work will go on. So normal functioning will not be impacted. Normal functioning will not be affected at all.
So any major file is signed on the project?
No, normal. The agenda has been cleared. Whatever is there, they will brief you. Table item is also the agenda. No? So that is also agenda. Administration, like the normal, as I said, toning up of the administration, what needs to be done, how fast we need to move. All that has been discussed.
3 table items were there, out of which very important is the para teachers. We are supposed to get 12,000 per month. It has been enhanced to 32,000 per month.
So any jobs?
The live posts which are there has to be filled up. That circular will be issued by the person. That is what he has said.
So how is the condition on the health?
As of now, he has spoken us very well.
Several decisions. By and large, it looks to me around 10 agenda items. 7 were agenda items and 3 were table items. In addition to it, we have also taken decisions with regard to the Margaon the bus terminal.
Okay.
And we have also one public utility space which the Margam municipality is. They are doing it as a special scheme to develop their public utility space. And we have taken a decision on the para teachers. Para teachers is a major decision. Does this look good? I don't know whether this looks good.
तुम्ही ब्रीफ कोता म्हणलेला आमगे अशें पयले तुम्ही ब्रीफ कोता म्हणटाले ना पूण सर सांगता
बरें आता एक पयलो तुमी हे तुमचे आयला सगळे तुमचे टेबल आयटम्स ते तुमचे कडेन आसात एक स्पेशल इन्सेंटिव्स दिल्या एक विस्टियन म्हणटा ती टेक्निकल एंड सर्विसेस लिमिटेड दिस IT इश्यू दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द Goa going forward in the IT sector. Rohan Kaute will explain to you better. Then there is a revision on the remuneration in PWD society.
Okay.
Tisra is a debt relief scheme for mining affected. It has been extended to March 2019. Barjinji आणि टाइम वाढेल होता आणि मागतालेच ना ते
6 months नो
हय आता कितें जाला हे आमी एग्जामिशन डायसेशन सोसायटीक दिल्ले आहा GST अमेंडमेंट जो घेतला तो आमी एक्सेप्ट केला ही तिसरो जो एजेंडा आयटम आशिल्लो टू डिमार्केट एंड नोटिफाय लँड एट मेजरिंग 28,000 square meters in village Kalangut as investment promotion area. This we have deferred. There was a strong objection to this because certain members also said that it was a private forest and it was having a steep gradient. So it has been sent back to IPB for clarification on all these issues. Then civil supplies, there is a proposal for revision of selling prices that has been done. Then para teachers is a major decision. त्याक सदांच तो इश्यू येतालो तांकां एक सबस्टेन्शियल वाडयला 12,000च्यान 32,000 केले आनी ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम 2003 हे जायता
कितली जाणांनी
132
तांकां कितें एक वर्साचें दिला
132 हय 10 months हय आनीक मागीर एक IT सपोर्ट सिस्टम जो RAP-DRP म्हणून पावर डिपार्टमेंटाचे आहा तीच कंपनी जाणें तें हें केलात आनी आमकां ते 62 स्टाफ घेतिल्ले आहा and they are going to do the work for a period of 1 year. And then there is an amendment to the Mamta scheme which has also been accepted. First installment 5,000 released after mother delivers a girl child. Second installment is after immunization, that is 3 years. Third installment is on SSC. Fourth installment is on higher secondary. And fifth installment is after degree.
Which are having more investment which are valued more than $2.5 billion. Tanka, if they need a special promotion package to be given to invite them to the state so as to ensure proper employment to the Goans which are high salaried Goans, so as freshers or anka, तांच्या खातीर बाकीचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर कितें हेल्प जाय जाल्यार दे कॅन एप्लाय सेपरेटली म्हणून सांगिल्लें. सो दॅट पर्टिक्युलर थिंग थ्रू द एम्पावरमेंट कमिटी जी आफ्टर दॅट थिंग असेंब्ली वेळार जी घेतिल्ली with all procedural clearances आज ती कॅबिनेटाक घेवन कॅबिनेटाक क्लियर जाल्या. विस्टियन इज अ $2.5 billion company which is coming to Goa, the first one of its type, which is going to set office 1st November. फाल्याच्यान ती they are planning to start operations. आज कॅबिनेट क्लियरन्स मेळिल्लें आसा. So फाल्याच्यान जातकर immediately what they have done is already they have recruited 18 people which are all 100% Goans and all who are freshers. Salary bracket is around 40,000-45,000 rupees to start with. So असल्यो कंपनी ज्यो आमी गोंयांत सोदताल्यो त्या आयिल्ले आसा तांकां अवेलेबल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आमचे सद्याचे आशिल्ले which was built by STPI for a period of 2 years दिल्ले आसा. Whatever incentives and reimbursements from the policy and little where we to give a little flexible incentives to them based on the competitiveness of other states, we have ensured that we have given them that thing which has come through the cabinet. आज पास जाल्ली आसा आनी tomorrow they will be starting the operation.
कंपनीचें नांव सांगात सर.
Visteon, they are ते सगळे गाडीचे कॉन्सोल्स जे असतात that consoles are developed by them, software is developed by them. आणि ती जेन्ना कंपनी सेट करता along with them तांचे ancillary जवळ 4-5 companies have already shown interest which are also wanting to set shops now because of this company. So this is like one anchor which has set shop. The CEO is Sachin Lavande, who is again a Goan origin, and हे 18-20 जण जे जॉईन जाल्या तातूंत 4 जण जे भायर आशिल्ले गोवन्स ते परत गोंया आयल्या. So the message is very clear what the IT policy was intending to call back the sons of the soil to ensure that the Goans get immediate good salary jobs. And if the type of industries, the high niche or the people which are in big type of IT business come down, म्हाका दिसता एक पयल्या कंपनीन वी आर गिविंग अ गुड एक्झाम्पल टू द स्टेट, मॅनी टू फॉलो.
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचे कितें उलयलां, ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कॉलेप्स जाला,
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कॉलेप्स जाला म्हणजे वी नीड टू एन्श्योर स्मूथनेस इन द ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, बिकॉज ब्युरोक्रेसी हॅज टू अंडरस्टँड that elected representatives are more required to be accountable to the public. आणि ताज्या खातीर समज फायल मुवमेंट्स आसता, बाकीचे आसा जे म्हाका दिसता बाकीच्या मिनिस्टर उलयल्या. आय थिंक वी ऑलरेडी क्लियर दिस इश्यू विथ सीएम एंड सीएम ऑल्सो हॅज गिवन डिरेक्शन्स ऑन द सेम.
तुम्ही पयलींच पेपराचेर सांगलेलें पळय कितें आहा तें.
पण कितें जॉबांचे बीन कितें उलोवप जालें
सगळें जातलें.
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर बी कितें उलयलां?
मेन म्हणते माझे असलेले रेग्युलर करपाचें स्पोर्ट्साच्या भुरग्यांक कळ्ळें तुका 260 कितले आहा 282 कितले आहा, आनी ताणें आश्वासन दिल्या की फायनान्सा कडेन बसून हें आमी क्लियर करया. कारण ते इतली वर्सां जाली, काही लोक आहात ते रिटायर जावपाक पावले, पण आजून रेग्युलरान तेंची स्केल मेळूंक नासली. सो ती स्केल लावपाची हांवें ऑलरेडी कॅबिनेटा भितर उलयलां आनी ताणें कन्सिडर करता म्हणून.
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर कितें उलयल्लें?
ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक चल्लां न्ही बरें. ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कितें चल्लां ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक?
जॉबांचे बाकीचे पोर्टफोलिओ बी आहा तेजे विचारलेले. पोर्टफोलिओ
दवडेकराक दवडेकराचो कितें आनी कितें कसलें जॉबाचें
पोर्टफोलिओ डिस्ट्रिब्युशनाचेर
आनी दुसरें हांवें उलयलें ते नॅशनल गेम्स लागीं पावल्यात. फायनान्सान आमी खंयच कमी पडपा जायना. ताणें सेंट्रलाक ऑलरेडी चिठी धाडलेली आहा आमचे फंडा खातीर, जेटलीक आनी तुजे राठोडाक, आनी ती बेगीन बेगीन पास करून हाडून तो पयसोय आमकां उरपा जायना. आनी 2 इलेक्शनां आयल्या सेंट्रलाची आनी आमची हेजी बाय इलेक्शन, तेजे भितर आमकां डिस्टर्ब जावपा जायना. ह्यो सक्सेसफूल जावपाक
टीचर जाले आनी कलंगूटची जो इश्यू आशिल्लो तो डिफर जाला.
आनी एनीथिंग हेजे जालें न्ही आमचे स्वस्त धान्य दुकानांचे
धान्य दुकानाचे जाले. PWD लेबर सोसायटी जे इंजिनियर आशिल्ले 58 कितले, तांची एक लेवलार सॅलरी पॅरिटी ऑफ सॅलरी करपा खातीर इश्यू आशिल्लो तो जालो.
58 इंजिनियर्स.
सगळ्यात म्हत्वाचा निर्णय कुठला होता?
सगळ्यात म्हत्वाचं जे IT पॉलिसी